Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, preferably Wi-Fi, and then let's go to settings. So here in the settings, you need to scroll all the way down to find this option, System Updates, and tap on it. Here, let's simply tap on Check for Updates, right here, and your device will try to connect to the server. For some reason, I've got some internet issues, so in my case, it might take a while. However, I will just explain what you can see here. Basically, your device will check for the updates and you can meet two different scenarios. So the first one is where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download at all. You will receive proper information about the current version, etc. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.